What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the simple trading strategy that I used to catch all these beautiful trades that you see in profit. You can see V75 is in profit. You can see V75 1S again is in profit. V25 is in profit. V25 1S is also in profit. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I managed to enter into these trades, what strategy I was using, what I was looking out for, and how you can also go and make the same profit. As soon as you finish watching this video, I want to see you guys practicing this, and I want you guys to tell me in the comment section how it is performing. So we're going to go through all the trades that I took, and I'm going to be explaining each and every trade that I took, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly where I entered and what I was looking out for. Now, this is a very simple strategy, like I said, so it will just take you a few minutes for you to understand the conditions that have to be met and follow them. Remember, you have to follow your trading plan. You should have a trading plan and you need to follow that plan. So you're going to jump straight into installing the strategy, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can use the strategy to your advantage in order to make profits. As you can see, I was trading V75 and V75 1S, and I was also trading V25 and V25 1S. I'm also going to be showing you the trick right there on these type of indices. So remember, we're trading volatility indices, and let's see how exactly this strategy works. So I'm going to go to V25, which is the first one. You can see we entered a buy trade right around here. Right now I'm in my 1 minute time frame, so it's been a couple of minutes since, and as you can see where I ended right there, and you can see where we are. So we had a little drawdown. I ended right about the moment the market then reversed, and we are deep in profit. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do the same type of entries. Okay, so let's get into installing the strategy. First of all, I'm going to go to my indicator section, and I'm going to install the first indicator, which is a moving average, and it is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 14. Going to have a period of 14, so I'm going to change this one to 14. For the first one, the shift will be 0. The method is exponential. Apply to close, and we don't have any levels on this indicator. And then on visualization, please make sure that it is on all time frames, so that if you switch time frames, you will still have that indicator installed. So this applies for all the indicators that we're going to be installing right now. Okay, and then on the style, I'm going to choose this green color for my style. Okay, I'm going to pick green, and I'll click done. And as you can see, we now have that green moving average running across our charts. Okay, now the second thing that we need is also another indicator. Going back to my indicator section, and you can see right here I'm picking another moving average of period 50. So this time around we're going to have a period of 50. Okay, so let me change this to 50. Okay, everything else remains the same. That is, the shift remains as 0, the method remains as exponential. Apply to close, and no levels again, but we're going to change this color to red. Okay, and then I'll click done. As you can see, we now have that red and green line. Okay, because of indicators for our main chart. Now we need an indicator window, one that is going to help us with entry points and confirmations. Okay, so going back to my indicators section, I'm going to click where it says stochastic oscillator, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. We've got a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high. The method is simple, and then we have two important levels that we need to install: a buy zone, which is our level 20, and a sell zone, which is our level 80. Then once you're done, you simply click done. And I also want you guys to take note of the style. Please make sure that your main and your signal have got that color which is the same as your background. So if you have got a white background like me, make sure that it has white on your signal and on your main. Okay, then once you're done, simply click done, and as you can see, we are now having those levels: the sell zone, which starts from level 80 to 100, and then the buy zone, which starts from level 20 going down to 0. Okay. And then once you're done, we need our final indicator, which is a moving average. But this time around, we're going to have a period of 10. Everything else again remains the same except the color, which is the styling. We're going to change it to black and click done. And as you can see now, we now have our strategy fully installed. Now what's left is basically understanding when to buy and understanding when to sell for you to be able to catch these beautiful uh long trades. Okay. Remember, I'm going to be giving away a free spot in our VIP signals group. Yes, I do give away a free spot on each and every video, so stay up until the end to find out who won the VIP in this video and to also know how you can win the next one. So let's look into how we ended this trade on V25. Now I was looking three things from my strategy. I was in my 5-minute time frame actually, and the first thing that I was looking for, or the first thing that you should look for if you want to enter into a buy trade, is you want to see the position of your black line. So you've got this black line down here, and as you can see, it started to approach my buy zone right there, which is the first condition, which means that I was ready anticipating a buy trade. And now uh, I used a second condition, which was a candlestick pattern, but now you can't see it. But I'm going to show you a second condition that you can use, whereby you look for the cross of the green line with the candlestick. So once you see the candlesticks now crossing to be above your green line, that green line acts as your average price. So once you see the candlesticks now going above the average price, you just start to anticipate that there is a potential buy trade. That was what I'm talking about. You see candlestick crossing that green line right there. And I've already seen a candlestick pattern formation down here. I'll talk about it in the next video for those that want those sniper entries where you just enter right away and you're in profit. Can you see what happened right there? I was using price action and candlestick patterns that I usually teach in my mentorship class, but nonetheless, you can still find the second entry or the second condition by seeing candlesticks crossing to be above that green line, as you can see right there. And the third condition, I actually got it from is it the 15-minute time frame or the 1 minute? It's from the 1 minute time frame, okay, where you see candlesticks, where you see the green line now crossing to be above the red line. Now our red line is our EMA 50, which acts as our trend line. So when we see our average price now going above our trend line, then we know that we are good to be in a buy trade. And as you can see, the price did push all the way up to that level. So that was how we use this strategy to get that trade. Let's take a look at V75. I think we were selling, yes, and we got it right at the top right there. Again, I used a candlestick pattern, but I will show you how you get the later entry. So you can see that our black line reached our sell zone right there, okay, which is our first condition. Second condition is you want to see candlesticks crossing to be below your green line right there, as you can see. And third condition, you want to have the golden cross whereby the green line and the red line cross each other. And then once you get all those conditions met, you enter into your sell trade and you sell your good trade. Again, on V25 one is another beautiful sell trade that we caught right there. This one we were actually late, very uh early, I mean, not late, very early. You can see that we ended right at the top of that trend and our conditions were met. Same process. If you check in your 1 minute, you can clearly see how it was going and how we managed to end at that trade. So candlesticks had crossed to be below the green line and we jumped straight into it. And then this is V51S. We ended from the 5-minute time frame. Why? Firstly, with our sell zone, with our black line in our sell zone, sorry, and with candlesticks crossing to be below our green line, and with the golden cross right there. And as you can see, soon after the golden cross, we entered into our sell trade. We're a little bit late on that trade, but nonetheless, we could see that all the conditions had been met, so there was no reason for us not to jump into that trade. Okay, and then we also took V75 1S. Again, it's a massive sell. You can see all conditions were met at the same time. We have got our black line reaching our sell zone right there. Immediately after, you see candlestick starting to cross to be below, but we were waiting for that golden cross, and that golden cross happened right there. You can see the green line then crossed to be below that red line, and we sold. So these trades are just starting off. Some of them have been holding for minutes and hours now, but we'll see how exactly they are going to end. So we've talked about when to buy, and we've also talked about when to sell. And I hope you guys have understood the strategy. And just like I said, I'm going to be giving away a free spot in our VIP signals group. Now, for you to be able to win that spot, all you have to do is to subscribe. Make sure that you like this video and comment down below, because I pick winners from the comment section. So comment something interesting and you might be the next lucky winner. Also, feel free to join us in our Telegram channels, completely free to join. There are over 8,500 traders in the group, and I'm sure it is a good trading community for you to be watching and seeing. I post my trading results, my students' results, anything to do with trading, you'll be able to find it in that free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below, and our winner for this video, I'm going to put their comment right here on the screen. Congratulations, you have won yourself a free spot in our VIP signals. So contact us and I'll be able to add you to that group and you'll be able to trade with us. I post signals in that group daily, so make sure you contact us and you'll be able to trade these beautiful setups with us. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. Tell me what you think about this video and what you want to learn more. If you have any video ideas or anything you want me to explain, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Until next time.